2018 Lexus RC Review. It's hard to find any serious faults in the sporty and luxurious 2018 Lexus RC. Still, it can't quite reach the top of the class against more athletic and more comfortable competitors. New for 2018. Wi-Fi hotspot and Lexus Safety System Plus now standard. V6 engines get small power boost. RC300 replaces RC200 tons as base model. Pros and cons. Premium, well-built interior. Numerous standard tech and safety features. Limited cargo room. Low gas mileage. When it comes to acceleration and handling, the 2018 Toyota Camry has undergone quite a transformation. Its new four-cylinder base engine is enthusiastic, it's also one of the most fuel-efficient in the class. Steering and suspension are also more dynamic, while still offering a smooth, relaxing ride when you're feeling more laid back. The 2018 Camry comes standard with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. This 203 horsepower engine has a pleasant amount of punch and is very fuel efficient. Its rating of 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway is one of the highest in the class. On the top trim levels, a 3.5-liter V6 engine is available. Its higher 301 horsepower rating means you can accelerate faster and have one of the most powerful midsize sedans on the block. With the V6 engine, fuel economy drops to 22 miles per gallon city, 32 mpg highway. Both engines come with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and some models have paddle shifters on the steering wheel for extra enjoyment. For the most part, the transmission is smooth and has well-timed shifts, though it occasionally takes a moment to downshift. The front-wheel drive Camry feels smooth and composed on the highway and is much nimbler than before. The steering has also been improved, it's precise and appropriately weighted. Additionally, the brakes are strong. After its 2018 redesign, the interior of the Toyota Camry feels classier. Much of the improved ambience stems from the use of better materials and less hard plastics. Technology also gets an overhaul, resulting in a better infotainment system and lots of advanced safety features. The Camry seats 5 people, with standard cloth upholstery and 6-way adjustable front seats. In all but the base model, the rear seats fold with a 6040 split. Seating options include synthetic leather and genuine leather upholstery, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, and a leather-trimmed steering wheel. For child safety seats, there are 3 tether anchors and 2 sets of lower anchors in the back seat. The seats are fairly comfortable and roomy, though they feel a bit on the firm side. Tall travelers may also have to duck a little, in part because of the Camry's lower stance. Visibility is good all around. The base infotainment system includes Toyota's Entune interface, a 7-inch touchscreen, 6 speakers, Siri Eyes-free, Google Voice controls, a USB port, and Bluetooth. Smartphone integration lets you link to apps like iHeartRadio, Pandora, Stitcher, Facebook, and Yelp. You also get turn-by-turn navigation using Toyota's Scout GPS Link app paired with your smartphone. Overall, this new system works well, with a nice selection of buttons around the screen if you prefer physical controls over touchscreen menus. Standard safety equipment in the new Camry includes a rear-view camera, a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic high beams, and adaptive cruise control. Available safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, rear cross-traffic braking, a head-up display, and adaptive cruise control. Toyota also offers single and dual-zone climate control, an 8-inch touchscreen, a 9-speaker JBL sound system, HD radio, satellite radio, integrated navigation, a proximity key, push-button start, 3 USB ports, wireless smartphone charging, and a panoramic moonroof in the 2018 Camry. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto aren't available, however. The Lexus has 10.8 cubic feet of trunk space. Almost every class rival has more trunk space. The rear seats fold down, providing some extra room, but they don't lie flat, which limits the usefulness of the folding seats.